Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to change your Vanguard password. Open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your username and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says Profile and Account Settings. On this page, you will see several options. Click on Username, Password, Security Questions option. Now you will see a section for Change Password. Under Change Password, you will see fields from which you could enter the necessary information. On the Current Password field, enter your current password. Then on the third and fourth field, enter the new password you wish to use. After that, click on Submit. That's how you change your Vanguard password. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.